Flat roof waterproofing can seriously make or break your house's vibe, especially when you're dealing with stuff like ponding water and vents. So, here's the lowdown on picking the right flat roof membrane for your home. If your roof is really flat and tends to hold water after rain, you gotta go with EPDM because it handles ponding water like a champ and won't freak out when it sits in puddles. Now, if your roof drains well and has tapered insulation to guide the water away, TPO is the way to go since it's super reflective and energy efficient, which means lower cooling bills and less heat soaking in. But if your roof has chemical vents or grease traps, think kitchens or industrial spots. PVC membranes are your best bet because they resist chemicals better than the others. Also, always check the slope of your roof. Even a slight incline helps a lot with drainage, so don't just assume all flat roofs are the same. Make sure your drains are properly sumped, which basically means they're set lower than the rest of the roof to catch water before it pools. And don't forget to keep an eye on the seams of your roofing material. Proper sealing can save you tons of headaches down the road. Lastly, consider the climate where you live, because some membranes handle sun exposure or cold snaps better than others. One of the biggest mistakes people make with flat roof waterproofing is ignoring ponding water issues. If water just sits there, it can wreck your roof fast. So pick EPDM or fix the drainage as soon as possible. Another common problem is choosing the wrong membrane for your roof's chemical exposure. If you've got vents or grease traps and go with TPO or EPDM, you're asking for trouble, so switch to PVC instead. The third big issue is poor installation, especially not sump draining or taping seams properly. This can cause leaks even with the best materials, so always hire pros who know what they're doing or double check every step yourself. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks homeowners up with trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff about roofing and other big jobs. And for contractors, it's a sweet spot to find real clients looking for help, making it easier to get steady work without all the hassle.